Guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one dogecoin website to pay you automatically an unlimited time claim per day. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. And this is the website. This website name is Digitask. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself, and just put your Litecoin wallet address in here from faucetpay. Just click this I'm not robot button and just click claim. This website pay you instantly to your faucetpay. The amount they pay you, this is the instantly amount. You can see this website pay me instantly, and then I come down and just click continue, and then come down and just click I am not robot and claim again. This website pay me again. This is one of the best way you can earn some much more dogecoin from this website. And you can see it's too easy. Just click I'm not robot and just click claim, and just come down and click continue. This website pay you instantly to your faucetpay, and this website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself to this website. And right now I show you how this website pay me or not. Okay, I go to overview, come down and show you this website pay me or not. You can see Digitask pay me this much time. So I click claim. Okay, this least amount, but this is one of the best because this website pay you every 0 seconds. Okay, and this website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself, and you can easily make much more dogecoin. If you claim much more dogecoin, the dogecoin is very soon go to $1, and you can earn much more high amount of the dogecoin, and you will be very soon a rich person. Okay, just click claim, and thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself, and you can claim like this one. And bye bye for now.